I'm passed out of 2011. I'm from computer science background, and I have been actually recruited in the company HP in the year of 2011 in my final year. And during that campus interview, like okay, they have been asked actually multiple technologies, like okay, where I have been interested. But for me, like during that college time, I know only Java because which is open source, and most of my seniors are working in the technology. And I have started working in Java technology since last 2 years, and I felt initial my days because of Java is open source, and there are a lot of opportunities, and which really like okay make my career is very good. But now I'm really feeling that like there are other good technologies actually where we have a better opportunities in terms of good money and as well as career direction. But I came to know that actually SAP is one of the one which is actually booming in the market and having different modules. And out of that, ABAP is the core technology. As I'm from technical background from Java, like ABAP is the best suits. And for that, actually, like I have been talking with my manager actually like to scale up this ABAP skills, and he has guided me like there are some corporate events which are happening in the company HP. So I went and attended one of the demo class which was taken by Rahul sir, and who is a corporate trainer, and he has taken us in a very good direction in the demo class. As I impressed very well, and I started attending the regular course, and I've been through the each classes, and which is really enjoyable and as well as good in terms of learning. Being from Java, so initially I thought of actually like okay, it's maybe a complex technology to understand and all, but it's not the real one. So I came through all the objects what he has covered during the classes. But the thing is actually like during my college days, I felt that okay, this job what I am doing right now, I would have taken that opportunity directly in the SAP world. But the reason is actually like most of my faculty members and my seniors and super seniors, they are not really aware of actually how the career in SAP, as well as they doesn't know anything about actually how this technology goes, and what it really requires actually to scale up your career in this area. So that is actually loophole, and as well as the technology itself is very costly as compared to Java. Java you can get that skills in a 2 to 3,000, but wherein SAP comes right, okay, minimum 20,000 it requires to get the knowledge on any module like ABAP or any other function modules. And as well as like the certification which requires all together like okay 4 to 5 lakhs. So it's a kind of a like okay a really showstopper for me during my college days because of financial reasons and all. But today I would recommend all the students who are coming from out of colleges, never go with kind of like okay with a one mindset saying that okay .NET and Java are the only courses which really give you opportunities in IT industry. So try to understand even like other ERP technologies and SAP and Oracle. But SAP is actually booming market. So take up ABAP course in SAP, start your career, which would really like okay change your career and as well as long term and may give you better results. So thank you everyone.